Good morning guys, here I am out bright and early on day 2 test riding my Oxygen S-Cross CB MKII bike. In this video I'm going to be covering how many miles I can get on this battery life. It's a 36 volt 16 amp battery. Oxygen sort of say approximately we should be getting around 70 miles depending how you ride them bike using that power assistance. Well, as I said, this is day 2 and already I've covered 35 miles riding in power assistance between 1 and 5 on mine. I'll explain that in another video guys. I explained that I changed my LD display on here to another one so I can power my lights, so I don't have all the functions that Oxygen provide you on their standard LCD display. I only have 5 levels of power assistance and I only have 2 levels of power modes. So I've only got power mode normal and eco, where with Oxygen it comes with a power mode, a normal ride mode and a eco mode as well, with 6 power assistance levels as well. So as I said, on mine I've got 5 power assistance and 2 modes, which is normal, I will correct myself, a normal mode and also a eco mode. Right, so this is day 2. In day 1 I covered 35 miles and around about quarter of my battery life to cover that 35 miles. I did take 2 big hills on, so it would use a little bit more power going up them hills, but so far this bike's riding really good. You can certainly notice a difference from the previous CB bike that they did to this new range. It handles hills a lot better. The motor's so quiet you can't hear it, which is amazing. And like I said, the torque on this has been improved to help you up them hills, and it really does work. It literally wants to fly up them hills really well. Right, so what I'm going to do is come back to you in a couple of days time and give you an update on how many miles I managed to get. Try to get that out there, how many miles I managed to try and get on this battery, which is a 36 amp 16 amp battery. So far it's performing very well. Like I said, 2 big hills. And when you're riding these bikes guys, remember the more power assistant you give it to help you recycling, it is going to take that from the battery as well. So remember, I use it very wisely, only put it up to the higher levels when I need it. This bike they don't need all that power, if you see what I mean, you know, riding maximum speed all the time. It averages between 15.6, then the motor cuts out, and then after that it's like a smooth ride till you hit a little hill, and then it'll sort of drop back down to say 15.6 or lower, depends on the climb of the hill, and then that motor will slowly kick in to help you up the hills. Very impressed with this bike, I will say that. So if you are looking for a bike, I would highly recommend this one. This is a commute trekking bike, which is absolutely perfect, which I use it for, commuting to work and out riding all around East Sussex, you know, so it's absolutely wonderful. So in the meantime guys, stay tuned. I will be coming back and doing another video of how many miles I managed to get out of this. This is in normal mode. Then I should do another video and probably tag that to the end of it, telling you how many miles I got on eco. But so far very impressed with the performance of this bike. Check them out, it's oxygenbicycles.com.